It was a lot of hard work getting the Cairns. Worked up a sweat, but we made it. We made it. We made it to Cairns. Beautiful Cairns up here on the northern end of Australia. And here's the game plan for Cairns. Today, it's scuba diving. We're actually going out to the Great Barrier Reef and we're gonna scuba dive for the first time in the ocean. Then tomorrow, it's rental car. We're gonna go up the coast. We're gonna talk, well, we're gonna go to some beaches, and then we're also gonna go check out the rainforest a little bit. And from first looks out here, it's pretty dense, it's pretty crazy, so we're excited for that. And then the next day after that, we fly out, but before that, we might check out some aquariums. We might also then check out some local stuff. So, check it out. On a funny side note, the birds here are crazy. Listen to that. It's like Armageddon for birds in Cairns. And they also have giant bats. Like, giant. You can't see them, but they're huge.